Guys, this is what happens if you don't service your car. Your car will build up some carbon on them pistons, and they are so fucking hard to clean them. Cause this carbon has been built up here because of not servicing the car. First of all, you should always refresh your oil and put the new one. This is how it looks after clean. So, according to how they should be like this. But as soon as they start working, because there is almost, and let me not say almost, there is always fire and stuff on these things. But then they don't have to be like this. If they are like this, it simply means your engine is fucked up and you have to overhaul it. Put some new rings, new oil, new plugs, new bearings, and almost everything, and you have to take your top to engineering. That's how it works, guys. So be careful, please, because if you service your car regularly, you save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money and stuff, because your car will end up in a mechanical shop like this. We'll have to strip it out and wash everything, wash the whole block, and put in some top gasket and stuff. And at engineering, they will charge you a lot of money, guys. So please be careful.